50 years, a golden jubilee. From sacred ground we stand so free. Our father's dreams, a tapestry woven in love for you and me. They raise the flag, their voices strong, a nation born with prayer and song. Oh, Papua New Guinea, our land of grace, we see your history in every face. A journey of spirit, a sacred race, God's promise fulfilled in this hallowed place. The ancient drum, it beats a memory of battles fought for liberty. Our mothers wept yet still believed that brighter days we would receive. Through trials faced, through darkest night, they lit the way with faith and light. Oh, Papua New Guinea, our land of grace, we see your history in every face. A journey of spirit, a sacred race, God's promise fulfilled in this hallowed place. Walk together, we'll walk once more. Through 50 years of joy and pain, the heart of PNG remains. With grateful hearts to God we sing, for every blessing freedom brings. Oh, Papua New Guinea, our land of grace, we see your history in every face. A journey of spirit, a sacred race, God's promise fulfilled in this hallowed place. With tearful eyes and hearts so full, we bow our heads, our spirits pulled. To God our thanks for blessings bold, a story of hope in green and gold. Forever we stand, forever we pray, for our beautiful home, a new day. Our pride, our tears, our hearts will say, Happy Independence Day, forever and a day.